To improve dynamic knee stability, perform a deep squat on the shuttle balance. The first version has a sagittal plane bias. Next, turn 90 degrees for a frontal plane bias. Keep the core engaged, hinge at the hips, and don't let the knees collapse inward. The goal is to maintain balance as the board shifts forward and back, side to side, and up and down. Progress the exercise by moving the spring attachments towards the middle to make the platform more unstable. With the sagittal plane, there will be increased movement forwards and backwards. Proper weight shifting is essential to maintain balance. At the more challenging level, blue attachment, there is more side-to-side movement with the frontal plane bias. Keep the platform level with an equal weight distribution on the left and right. To prepare for higher level activities, you have to build a foundation that is stable.